Guess who's back? But we almost missed our flight.
Punta tayo saglit sa beach. Happy birthday!
We're leaving for what? Siargao! We're just waiting for the Grab. Let's go. Hello. So, dito kami currently sa may food court and we're waiting for our boarding gate kasi currently wala pang boarding gate. And nag-iisip kami kung kakain. Kakain ba tayo? Or wag na? Anyways, so most likely what will happen right now is I'll be recording some clips and then I'll just talk to you guys when we land to Siargao.
So it's me, vlog takeover. Currently, hindi pa ako natutulog and wala naman akong choice. It is what it is. I don't know if you can hear me but yeah.
Nasa boarding gate na kami, update. We're just waiting for the final call. This is our first time going to Siargao and hopefully it's not our last.
Kasi hindi na babalik ng Manila.
So, I'll see you again later.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Guess who almost missed their flight? So, mamaya ko na ikukwento guys, but we almost missed our flight right now and we're just alone in this bus going to our airplane and we're just waiting to get boarded. I'll talk to you guys later.
Dami pa di sumasakay o pinatakbo pa ako.
We're the last one or the last people to board the flight and almost missed the flight.
Well, it's also our fault.
No, we were near the vaping lounge kasi. Tapos nakita natin yung smoking lounge. Hindi natin namalayan.
And late kasi nakasulat eh.
Yeah. Anyways, I'll kwento later.
Sa mga lagi sa pergolang nabuo sa Siargao.
Touchdown! Hello guys! So, we're now here at Siargao. It's day 1 for us. We just literally sat down here and moved in sa resort namin. Sa totoo lang nakakapagod yung biyahe. To give you context, 2 plane yung sinakyan namin going to Siargao. That's from Manila to Cebu and then Cebu to Siargao. 1 hour lang yung pagitan nila or yung layover 1 hour lang. It's very normal for Cebu Pacific to have delayed flights, which I am already aware of that noon pa. But we took the risk to book it anyway. So, yun, na-delay yung flight namin, Manila to Cebu. Nakarating kami siguro mga 1 hour 45 minutes instead of just less than 1 hour. So, technically, pag baba namin, we just like have 15 minutes to transfer. And what happened was, na-delay din pala yung flight namin from Cebu to Siargao. It's like an hour delayed din. So, thankfully, ganun yung nangyari. So, we thought we go outside muna sa smoking area to chill. But, ang nangyari, akala namin hindi pa boarding kasi nga parang na-move pa yung schedule or yung flight ng Cebu to Siargao. And then narinig na lang namin, like literally, narinig namin yung pangalan namin. It's the final call na we're the last people na hinahanap sa flight. So, we literally ran from the smoking area to the boarding gate para makatch namin yung flight namin going here. Buti na lang talaga na we were able to catch our flight going here. Pero super delayed din yung arrival namin or pag-landing namin kasi the flight should be like an hour only, but it took us another an hour and 30 minutes just to land. But anyways, we're here and we're settling in to our villa. We're staying at Siargao in Beach Resort, which I booked in Agoda, by the way. And during that time, Agoda has like a super sale going on. So I got this villa for a much cheaper price than usual. There's a pool here. It's beachfront. Our villa has the widest like space area for working because we're gonna be working while we travel in some days. But right now, today is day 1 here in Siargao. An hour before our flight. Hindi, like 3 hours, no? 3 hours before our flight from Manila to Cebu. Naka-log out lang namin from work. So, wala pa kaming tulog talaga. Night shift kasi kami. We start 6:30 p.m. up until 7 a.m. And since ang flight namin earlier was like 10 a.m., so nag-log out lang kami and then diretso na talaga kami sa airport. Wala nang tulugan or something. Yun lang yung mga chika for now. Magpapahinga muna kami for day 1. Siguro kakain kami sa labas and then may nearby stores naman dito. Like kainan. Nandito, malapit sa amin yung Yasis and yung Andox dito sa Siargao. So, pagpipilian pa namin mamaya kung saan kami kakain. Good morning! Today is day 2, May 24, 2026, 7:04 in the morning, and we're waiting for our car rental. We booked a jeepney for today because we're going to the north of Siargao. Mag-DIY lang kami. So let's just wait for the car rental.
Tayo muna natin siya dyan. Ito ang aming feature. Kasi malayo yung pupuntahan namin. Punta tayo saglit sa beach. Dito sa resort na pinag-stayan namin. Which is Siargao Inn. Yeah. Kagabi kumain kami sa Yasis. Affordable naman yung pagkain nila doon. And dahil dalawa lang kami, medyo ako lang malakas kumain sa amin eh. So, may na-take out pa rin naman kami. Nandun sa rep. Nasa rep namin, sinigang siya. Pork sinigang. Kaso low tide eh. So, I don't think ma-appreciate nyo yung beach. Kasi nga low tide siya ngayon. Although, looks good. Hindi mo.
Baba mo na lang.
Yan mo na. Tignan nyo yung mga puno. Ayun. Mainit na. Ano yung aso yun, di ba? Si Dogo Argentino. After namin dito, waiting na kami sa dun sa sakyan na nirent namin. Kasi malayo yung pupuntahan namin. So, car muna yung nirent namin ngayon. And wait muna namin. Update na lang namin kay mamaya. Hello, andito kami sa pangalan nito. We're having breakfast here. And bakit parang ako na yung naging vlog? Parang aking na tong vlog na to. I'm just more talkative than her. Ako yung lagi nag-start ng vlog kasi hindi ko alam kung hindi ako sure kung ano. So mamaya naghahantay kami ng pagkain.
Hi guys! We're now here at Spotted Pig. This is where we will be eating breakfast. And then we're gonna go straight to North Siargao, which I'm excited because magbi-beach na kami. So we will just eat muna. See you later.
Hello. Andito kami sa I don't know what this called is, but maraming buko. Mag-picture lang kami dito. And then, we're gonna go to our next target place. Si Kuya.
Ah, 660 po, ma'am, sir, kung dalawa lang po kami kasama. 600.
Hi guys, we're here at Maasin River. Waiting pa kami kasi may pila. Secret Lagoon daw. So let's see, update namin ulit kayo.
Hey, ma'am, sir, we have 500 additional per person.
We're now here at Trogon's Perch and it's very crowded here. Actually, we're so tired from Maasin River and so hungry. So that's why nag-stop over muna kami dito. Actually, kumain na kami. But if you wanna know what we ate, mag-upload naman ako sa TikTok regarding the price and rate namin sa food. But so far, here's our view. Right now, papunta kami ng Little Hawaii or what people say here na $1 million view. So, yun ang next namin pupuntahan after. And then, we might go surfing later on sa Pacifico Beach. Not yet sure kasi medyo mainit pa. Let's see. We'll update you guys again later. Hi guys! Update. It's already 8:43 in the evening and we're currently here at Bebe's where we will be eating inihaw. So after namin pumunta ng Pasicon Beach, dumiretso na kami po uwi because we're very tired. Nag-swimming lang kami konti doon and picture, and then umuwi na kami, nagpahinga, naligo, nag-prepare for dinner. And balak sana namin mag-party kasi tomorrow's gonna be my birthday, so birthday sa lubong sana. But sobrang pagod na kami. So, sabi na lang namin, baka mag-chill, inuman na lang kami and after eating. So, we'll have to update you guys later.
Yung
Ready? Lagay yung kamay sa lip. Got.
Right now, kain kami dito sa Cloud9. We ordered steak.
happy birthday.